In the shirt. It's right there. It's not moving around as much as I thought it would.
No. She has a moving tumor. Is that my cat? No. Okay.
It's Monstro.
My cat has just been abused.
Are you kidding? You did?
Oh, he's coming up here. Did you ask Savannah a question? No.
Let's wait until the cat comes back up so I can actually post this on YouTube.
Towards the light. Where you go? Oh, there you are. Come here. Oh, there he is.
Why are you helping him?
I don't know. Oh, he's going back down. Oh, no. He's coming up.
You can't tell where he is.
Oh, you're here. Yeah. Come here. Yeah.
That's a very vocal cat.
Come here.
Kitten.
Yeah. Come here.
Would you settle down? You can't get out.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah. It's shut
Is your paw
and
stuck
locked.
or something?
You couldn't open it if you wanted to. See? Ha ha. Dummy.
Mom,
What?
you can talk to Maddie. She's not going to reply. And if she does, then you can have a TV show.
Buy our laptop. She'll learn how to type.
Heck yeah. If Gamma can learn how to webcam, she can learn how to type.
Ow!
Hello. Maddie, go away. No, Maddie.
Kitten!
Go. Ow! It's your claws.
On bare skin?
Yes. I'm wearing a tank top under this. Ow!
And he's out! Yay! Well done, Monstro.